Carlo is being lot off for nothing's sake. Oh my God. Because he's speaking. He's saying
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank each and every one of us that has been supporting me, sharing my video, and also praying for our leader Maaz Nnamdi Kanu. If you look at our boys now, if you look at Biafra now, especially the Biafran route, they are not happy because of what is happening right now in Nigeria, especially in Biafra land. So just take 1 minute of your time and go through this particular video, because these boys that people are seeing on my screen like this have a very serious important message to tell all the Biafran people. So in case we don't know what they are saying, just take your time and watch the video so that we understand what they are trying to say. And do not forget to share this video so that other Biafrans can also benefit and learn from the mistake that a lot of people have been making. So share this video and remain blessed. Biafran roots are not happy at all because our leader Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped to Kenya and brought back to Nigeria, and nobody is talking about it. That is why they are not happy. Share this video and remain blessed.
Carlo is being lot off for nothing's sake. Oh my God. Because he's speaking. He's saying the truth. You lock him up for life. And you people that are killings, committings, you have not go to life imprisonment, but only an innocent man. Thinking that when you imprison him, that the small ones, the little ones, the youth, will keep camp. Thinking that what the Britain brought to us, saying that when you hold the master, the disciple will run. We are not Jesus. We are Igbo. If you hold him, we shall rise again, and we are coming. We are not afraid of death. If you fear, you will die. If you do not fear, you will still die. So we are not afraid of death. We are coming to finish the battle, because the battle is not yet over. The politicians that the British set up there in their contract called Nigeria to kill the Igbos, to maltreat us, they shall pay with their blood. The politicians shall pay with their blood. Their children shall pay with their blood. Their generation shall die. So why with the army, police, and forces, you will pay with your blood. Because the blood of the innocent have risen against you. The blood of the innocent that you killed, that you wasted, have risen against you. And we are coming for you, the politicians. We will destroy you in Biafra land. We will destroy you in Biafra land. Hear this and hear it very clearly. After everything, Sokoto, you will hear, Sokoto, welcome. Here we are, because we are going to Sokoto. And Sokoto, you must receive us. If you do not receive us in peace, you receive us in pain. Because we are coming in pain. No retrieve, no surrender. We have reached the junction of no return. No retrieve, no surrender. Biafrans can never go down. If others go down, I will never go down. One man squad. I will never go down. You may.
Nigeria na-ahụ emebiela emela ndị Igbo ihe n'obodo ahụ. Emela anyị ihe n'obodo a. Anyị tụpụziri ime ihe. Anyị tụpụziri ime ihe. Jee kwado onwe gị o. Jee kwado onwe gị. Ọ Christmas ka na-aba. Jee kwado onwe gị. Nwa Igbo, nwa afọ Igbo, jee kwado onwe gị. Nsogbu nọ n'obodo. Arụ mega n'obodo. Na ya egbu ndị uwe ojii. A na-egbu ndị amị. Onweghị ihe emega. Bandit ya pụta n'ụzọ. Na-ete egwu n'ụzọ. Onweghị ha ya eme bandit. Onweghị ha ya eme bandit. Nwanne ekwela ka egbu oge o. The worst mistake you do as a Nigeria is allowing all these small Fulani bandits, all these small boys kill you. That's the worst mistake you do as a Nigeria. I beg by your.
If you look for me and you didn't hear from me after 3 days, burn down the zoo. That is a very simple instruction. I don't know what is still holding our people. Do the best of what you can. On one man to be I know how to life imprisonment. I don't know. Now I got just our normal duty. I know me affiliate no only do the best of what you can do. Ambush them. Do whatever you can. Activate Ekumeku spirit. Wake it up in yourself. Do the best of what you can to make sure you light up this zoo called Nigeria. Let them do the needful.
Oge m nọ na Amerịka m na-anụ ka esi bụ ibe nna m dị ka anụ ka o si wee gazie. Ihe m na-achọ ịgwa unu maka ụfọdụ na-asị ihe Mbaka kwu. Ọ bụrụ ọzọ maka ihe ekwu. Steji anyị nọ kịta bụ ihe emere. Ọ gafeghị ihe a na-ekwu, ọ gafeghị ịkọ ọnụ. Enwere m Chineke aka enu n'isi Igbo Igbo. Igbo Igbo ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma. Ma ndị nọ na mba ma ndị nọ n'ụlọ. Achịniri m aka enu. O mesịrị ka m mara ihe Chukwu ga-achọ ka m mee. Nke mma bụ na aga m emenata ihe m kwesịrị ime. Yes. By the power of God. A ga-eji ekpere pụọrọ ya iche. Ya unu ga-elota m n'ekpere. Nke a gafego gịnị ka onye a kwu, gịnị ka onye a prọfesaịrị. Ihe a nọ kịta bụ nzọpụta Chukwu. Unu ga-elota m n'ekpere ka ije m ga-eje na ihe m ga-eme banyere mpụta nwanne anyị a ka o nwee isi. Amen. Derecho.
If anything happened to Nnamdi Kanu, there will be war in Nigeria. And whenever government hear this comment from Igbo people, they are shaking already. This is always Igbo people claim. Whenever I make video about Nnamdi Kanu, they will always comment that if anything happened to Nnamdi Kanu, there will be war in Nigeria and that history will repeat himself. Yoruba will say, Majolo Munwenye. For those of you that did not understand that Yoruba statement, if you get Yoruba friend, ask them the meaning of Majolo Munwenye, they go interpret them for you. That Majolo Munwenye claim, that is how every Nigerian is. Let me tell you something, Igbos. I respected you guys in everything you guys do because una dey stand una ground. Una no dey fear anybody. Now one thing I like about una, but one thing what I don't like about some of una too dey make mouth. Like I said, I respect una so much for everything una dey stand una ground pass any other tribe. But standing ground without action is still nothing. Sometimes when you show empty threat all the time, it becomes a finish. I'm from Benue State and a lot of you know me here. They always insult my people. We are coward and I go dey talk am. Truth is always hot. I know say the truth why they talk now, it go hurt a lot of una Igbos. But I don't care. Truth are always bitter. Stop putting this man into more trouble. All this una claim, if government do anything to Nnamdi Kanu, what will happen for Nigeria? Stop all those nonsense
mouth una dey make about this man. Una dey endanger am. Igbo person have never fight for Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu have been the one fighting for himself all this while. And for those of you that always say if anything happen to Nnamdi Kanu, history go repeat himself, there will be war in Nigeria. Don't forget, there have been a lot of freedom fighters from Igbo land. They don't buy, they don't go, nothing happen. You people still move on. When I see all these comments, if anything happen to Nnamdi Kanu, the thing they always vex. More una no dey too make mouth. Like I said, I dey respect una say una dey speak, una dey stand una ground. But action na im matters. Because when we talk too much more than action, it becomes see finish. We Benue people speak more than action. That is why our place don't turn to burial ground till date. Cannot be making mouth on social media and nothing happen. See people that have upper hand in Nigeria, they don't make mouth. They do what they want to do and they get away with it. And don't forget, now so Yoruba people make mouth for MK Abiola. Say if anything do Abiola, say what go happen. The man was by and nothing happened. And a lot of na go say, oh, now so Yoruba people be. Yoruba they make mouth. See, if anything happen to Nnamdi Kanu today, we shall not pray make anything happen to Ram. Igbo will move on with their life. There are a lot of freedom fighters where they don't buy, where nothing happen. You guys move on with your life. No history repeat himself. And I'm very sure MK Abiola now will be regretting for fighting for his people and for himself. Because if MK Abiola did not think of liberating anybody, with the wealth he has, if he just focus on himself and his family and enjoyment, till date he could see the enjoy in wealth. But because he thought people got his back, he was misbehaving and wetin happen? They fall in hand now. And Majolo Monwenye na they do for MK Abiola too. And at the same thing, Igbo they do for Nnamdi Kanu, Majolo Monwenye. If you are close to Nnamdi Kanu or you used to see him, advise him to not rely on anybody. Nobody get his back. Oh. In Nigeria, freedom fighters, nobody always get their back. Freedom fighters are always on their own. Nigerians always get irrelevant people's back than freedom fighters. There is some people today in Nigeria that if the government arrest them today, Nigerians will turn upside down. They are not freedom fighters. They are people that distract you from knowing the truth and seeing future of your life in Nigeria. Nigerians, they always take those group of people very serious. So my Igbo brothers and sisters, don't wait until they pay Nnamdi before una take action. That man have been in detention for good 4 years plus. All we see every day is anything happen to him. Why una won't wait till they pay him before una take action? Can't you take action now? Anyway, share your thoughts on the comment section responsibly, and for those that love to cry, cry responsibly on the comment section. Truth is always bitter. Peace.